Solve the equation for all solutions. We have negative 2 cos x plus 3 equals 4. So this is an all solutions thing. We're not focusing on everything in between 0 and 2 pi anymore. So let's get rid of 3, subtract 3 from both sides. That gives us negative 2 cos x equals 1. Let's divide everything by negative 2. Divide everything by negative 2. And we have cos x equals negative 1/2. Let's scooch that negative over just a little bit for what I'm about to do next. In order to get x all by itself, we're going to inverse cosine both sides. So inverse cosine like that, crosses you out. And x is going to be the inverse cosine of negative 1/2. Now what that's asking is what x value is going to give us, or rather what angle is going to give us an x value of negative 1/2. All right, well, let's draw ourselves a quick unit circle. X values at negative 1/2 are going to exist at that dot up there. So that's negative 1/2 blah, blah, blah. And that has to do with the angle 2 pi over 3. And then it happens again directly underneath it. That's negative 1/2 blah, 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 blah. And that angle is 4 pi over 3. So the two first angles that this happens at is going to be at 2 pi over 3. I'm going to leave a space. And then the second one is 4 pi over 3. Now, the reason why we're allowed to have multiple answers is because every time we spin around the circle, we hit the same dot again. So every spin around the circle is 2 pi. So if I go around 2 pi, I go around 4 pi, I go around 6 pi. So what we do is we just say, all right, well, we'll do 2k pi, because it could be 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3 pi, whatever. And we'll do it again over here, 2k pi. And we'll say for any integer k. And so what, 2 pi over 3, 4 pi over 3, plus 2k pi, looks like B, that's my answer.